Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to define valuation method in SAP. We can use transaction code SIMG or else you can use transaction code OV59. I'll go through the SAP path here. Financial accounting, then general ledger accounting, periodic processing, valuate, and then click here on define valuation methods. So I'll take a reference of any keys here. Click on copies. I'll be creating for my company code 7075. I'm keeping as a numeric one only. And here you can see like the valuation procedure, always valuate, GL valuation group, and post per line item. Document type will be SA accounting document. And here it will taking the exchange rate type. If you have created your own rate type, then you can assign it here. I have created here one for mine 7075, and also the credit one I will be assign here. Then click on enter here, then press save here. Now you can see your valuation method has been created. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.